Hey guys, welcome to Poor Man Mods. Today is a first. We're going to be doing some automotive ASMR for you guys. And to do some automotive ASMR, we're going to be using my Olsa Tools half-inch 250 foot-pound mechanical torque wrench that we're going to be using today to torque different fasteners to various torques so you can hear that satisfying click. One thing that's really nice about this Olsa Tools torque wrench is the head is pivoting. It gives you a little bit of articulation. So in a situation like this, you can get away from your fender to avoid damaging it. If this was totally fixed, you could have some clearance issues. But the pivoting head gives you a little bit of articulation, which is really nice. This Olsa Tools torque wrench or pick one up for yourself, go to OlsaTools.com. Hope you enjoyed this Poor Man Mods ASMR. We'll see you next time.